Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Ooh. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Oh, thank you for the happiest year of my life. Yeah. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life.
Okay na? Ems, happy birthday! Enjoy life. Ayaw pa stress.
Hi Besh, happy birthday. Ano ko message sa imo eh. Dato pag maayo Besh para mo sige tagkaog lami. Joke lang. I wish you good health yun. Labaw sa tanan good health. Amping kanunay sa lawas, then ayaw pa stress. Bahala sila yung stress ay mo kagwapa basta ito ay sayang kayo ang life.
Happy birthday, M. I'm not actually used to make a video message kay kanang di ko ganahan ba kanang lisod ko explain, but know that I'm always here for you. I want you to enjoy life because you deserve everything sa imuhang ka-generous, ka-kind na whatever it takes, mangita jud kag way to help people. And I think that's one of the character nga nag-inspire jud nako, and that's also what I'm doing right now. Kabalo na ka from the very beginning of how you made so much impact sa ako, sa akong family, ni mama, ni papa, the rest of the siblings. Kabalo ka na. And know nga naami always for you. Di ka na mapasagdan. I treated you as my family as well, especially sa Bangkal family. And kabalo ka, unsa ka ka-importante, unsa ka ka-valuable na mo. And I want you to enjoy life, stay healthy, kay nara ko pirmi always.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Mami.
Happy birthday, Tita Mommy.
I love you.
I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Mommy. Happy birthday, Tita Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Mommy. Happy birthday, Tita Mommy. I love you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Mommy. I love you, heart. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Mommy. I love you.
Buah, hi! It's me, your favorite of all favorite, Pag-umangkon. Hi, Tita! I'm wishing you a best day and wishing you a grateful and wonderful day. Tita, thank you for all you've done for us, and we acknowledge your kindness to us, and thank you for always inspiring us to our studies to strive more, and thank you for always providing us, Tita, and thank you for all your cookings, especially ang katong pasta. I love that pasta, best pasta of all time, and thank you for always loving us, Tita.
Happy birthday po, Tita, and I just wanna say thank you for everything sa imong gihatag sa amo, pagsuporta sa amo at Tita, and I hope you have a great day and a happy birthday, and I hope nga true nga kuan Tita nga naara gihapon ka dira sa amo while nagdako me nga para kuan Tita para makita nimo ang among mga achievements nga naabot sa kinabuhi. And I'm very thankful kaayo tita, and I wish you a happy birthday and great health, and stay always young. Kay kan kita mura ra gyapon kag 18. And yeah, happy birthday tita.
Happy birthday, Tita Ems, and enjoy your day, and God bless, and thank you for everything that you have done, and salamat sa lahat talaga. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Stay beautiful and young. May God bless you and enjoy your day. I love you.
Masamay na. Happy birthday, Tita. Tarong, te. Ayaw sa i-play. Happy birthday. Buka, may dagdag ko. Ayaw to.
Ayaw talaga. Go.
What's up? Happy birthday. No, kamera. Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you for your support and thank you for being my guardian. Happy birthday.
Hi ta, happy birthday. I hope nga ma-enjoy nimo imong adlaw karon. Unta daghan pa kag tuig na maabot sa imong kinabuhi. O unta hatagan pa kag nindot nga kalawasan sa Ginoo. O unta pod nga tubagon sa Ginoo tanan nimong mga dreams, wish sa imong life. Ug daghang salamat kaayo ta sa imong pagkabuutan, pagkamaayo ug pagkahands-on sa among tanan, labi na sa akong mga igsuon ug labi na sa akong mga paumangkon ug igaagaw ta. Ikaw ra jud ang number 1 supporters sa among life. Even though ni dako mi nga walay amahan tanan mi, but wala na namo na feel that kay naa ka kanunay sa among kiliran. I love you so much, Tita. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ta. Thank you for the love and support. May all the love you gave to us came back to you 100-fold on this day. Enjoy your day, Ta. Happiest birthday.
Good morning, Te. Today is your great or your the pinaka best nga day, no, because it's your birthday. So kanang I wish you all the best. Pero even though I will not say it, I knew it na naana ninyo tanan, no, in God's grace, in God's mercy and blessings, no, and hoping na naana sa tuwa atong fulfillment, satisfaction or contentment sa kinabuhi, no, because mao ra gyud ang pinaka-importante na ma-encountered sa tong kinabuhi. Kasi without satisfaction, bisag unsa pa nang naani mo nga mga butang, kung wala na sa imo nga ang contentment, wala gyapon. So in behalf ni Dindo, ni Shanshan, we are wishing you all the best, good health, and the desires of your heart na sana i-grant ni God. And sa kaubos sa panahon, no, short time lang, no, dapat sana kaming tulo mag-message, but si Dindo gadali-dali ganiha, and also si Shanshan po dili na mi ka-message kay nana ko sa office. Hoping you have a great day and many more birthdays to come. And pahabol pa, no, we are grateful to you, Ting, naka sa family kay tungod sa imong mga blessings na blessed with me as your family, no. So di na ako kinahanglan na i-mention, but grateful kay minimo. And once again, happy birthday, Te.
Hi, Ems. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come and good health too. Always remember in Proverbs 3. Chapter 4 to 5. Ingon din, ha? Trust in the Lord with all thine heart and lean not unto your own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge Him and He shall direct thy path. In Matthew 6:33, ingon din, seek ye first the kingdom of heaven and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added to you. God will gonna pour out His more blessings. Basta unahon nato siya pagpangita sa atong kinabuhi ang Ginoo, because He is the great giver of everything. He owns everything in this world, and we thank God, no, nagpasalamat mi sa Ginoo for your kind heart sa imuhang families, imong generosity sa amoa, sa imong pagkamaayo sa amoa, sa suporta nga imong gihatag sa amoa, especially sa imong mga pag-umangkon. So, happy birthday, Ems. Bon appetit. God bless you and happy 18th birthday. Char, maskin mag 45 na ka, still mura na kag 18 years old because you always look young. God bless you and more birthdays to come. We love you, Ems.
Happy birthday, Talilay.
I'm going to sleep, but I don't forget your birthday. I wish the best for you. And always in good health, closer to God always. We miss you. I miss you always, Ems. And take care always your health. Keep on going and be strong woman. God bless you, Ems. Happy birthday and good night.